This is going to be an n8n tutorial for beginners. Let's just begin. So first of all, basically this is our workflow editor. Here you can generate different type of workflows. Now basically what a workflow is, it is a connection of nodes which in sequence or series is going to be performing a specific task. Like for example, if you want to create an automated AI based channel, you can easily create it. First you're going to be, let's just say you are going to be selecting when clicking execute a workflow, click on plus, do an action. Here you add OpenAI chat, and that model is going to be writing a script. Just close this for now. And further on, you can incorporate your maybe YouTube channel. Then you can choose it to upload a video. I'm not going to be filling these fields as the video is going to be very long. I'm just showing you the skeleton structure, how it works. So first it's going to be executed, then the chat service is going to be writing a script, then it is going to be generating a video. I missed that part. You can incorporate that. You can see if I head over to action in an app, so let's just say it is going to be creating a video, and yeah, so you can go with different type of editors, and yeah, it is going to be creating from online APIs. Once it is generated, it is going to be uploading on YouTube. So that's how you can use n8n. This is going to be the most basic tutorial or the know-how how it actually works. I hope you're going to be watching our further tutorials for more in-depth details, and make sure to head over to the link in the description to access n8n.